Okay, this is one of the easiest fresh fish dishes you could possibly make. It's a fish and vegetable medley. About 2.3 pounds of thin flounder fillets from Costco. And started out with some organic spinach. I lined the pan with the organic spinach first. Drizzle it with extra virgin olive oil. And the fish fillets went on. They're so thin you could actually, if you have to, if there's not enough room, you could double them. They'll cook through. It's a 400-degree preheated oven. Takes about 12 to 15 minutes. Just put on some ground Aleppo pepper. So after the spinach, you layer on the fish, some Asian Indian spices, or the fish masala. Before the Asian Indian spices, squeeze lemon juice over the fish and some grated Parmesan cheese. Kalamata olives, pitted, some capers, and Campari tomatoes. You could add thin asparagus, string beans, and you get a crispy vegetable with the dinner. So it's about 10 to 12 minutes in a 400-degree preheated oven. So look at this gorgeous dinner. It's main dish, side dish, and all the trimmings all in one pan. That was 12 minutes in a preheated 400-degree oven. You know, as I mentioned, these flounder fillets are very thin, but there was one that was maybe twice as thick as the other. I'm not even sure it was flounder, and maybe it jumped into the tray from another tray while they were processing it. So I'm going to see how that one is done. That looks cooked. And you want to get the fish and the spinach together. Now I think I'm going to put it back for a couple of minutes more. As you can see, this is translucent. This piece is done. Enjoy.